The current time is 11:29 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. These are the 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time observations for the Carolina. This is the National Weather Service Office at Greenville, Spartanburg. The preceding signal was a test of weather radio station KHC27's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings.
You didn't
For
go
station
off.
KHC27, broadcasting near Rock Hill on a frequency of 162.425 MHz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in South Carolina: Cherokee, Chester, Fairfield, Lancaster, Union, and York.
And you didn't go off
And in
either.
North Carolina, Cleveland, Mecklenburg, and Union. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio. All hazards during the weather test, Cherokee and York. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio. All hazards during the weather test. These are the 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time observations from the Carolinas on Wednesday, February 15th. At
That
Rock
was
Hill
a
Airport,
sad weekly
it was
test.
mostly sunny. The temperature
didn't
was
go off
61
either.
degrees, the dew point 45, and the relative humidity 55%.
Oh, y'all went off.
The wind was south at 8 miles an hour. The pressure was